Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is November the 1st, 2024, and this chart here, it really gets my attention here this Friday, and it is the VIX, chart of the VIX, the daily VIX chart, and it measures the volatility of the S&P 500 index. Now take a look at this chart's pattern setup here. We're having another retest of this resistance level. Now, this is a classical chart pattern. When I see this pattern here, I anticipate a breakout to higher levels. And, really let's look at this chart. We saw a rejection from this previous resistance here, a pullback to a higher low. I actually found resistance from the 50-day moving average. And now we're finding resistance again from that level. So that'd be the second attempt. What can happen from here? Here's a gap here to fill. Maybe we get something like this, and the VIX breaks out to a higher level. Now, the setup doesn't mean it's going to happen today. Doesn't mean it's going to happen on Monday. But look for an increase in the volatility of the S&P 500 in the next week or two. I also see gold. I'm getting indications that gold is primed for a 1 to 4 week pullback. So if we see gold on a 1 to 4 week pullback, if that happens, we see a VIX ready to break out higher. And usually what happens when the volatility of the S&P 500 increases, the S&P 500 drops in usually dramatic fashion, as it did back here on this spike in the VIX on August the 5th. You look on the S&P 500 chart and you'll see a dramatic drop in the index levels. The question I have is, if there is a sell-off in the stock market, if there is a 1 to 4 week pullback in gold, where will that capital go? Will it go into bonds? Will it go into cash? Will it go into cryptocurrency, Bitcoin? Or will it go into commodities? It's going to be interesting. Week or two. Keep an eye on the VIX, keep an eye on the stock market, keep an eye on gold, and see where the capital will flow to. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.